Guess what? Studies have revealed that pasta is not just super delicious, but it can help you save a lot of money while saving the planet too. Here's 5 ways of cooking pasta that you probably don't know and that will blow your mind. But first, let's start by how to cook pasta properly. Because yes, to cook pasta you don't need such a big amount of water. On the contrary, the less water you cook your pasta in, the faster it will cook. But let's talk about the real money saver here. One pot pasta is a real deal, both from a power consume and dishwashing point of view. And also, the cooking pasta will be a concentrate of starch that will make a hell of a creamy sauce. Look at that, that's sexy, just like you are. First, settle your sauce. Then add your favorite pasta and let it cook in the sauce, adding hot water or broth if needed. In the end, the pasta starch will help the creaminess, and you just have to season with some salt, pepper and parmigiano, of course. And yes, you can eat it directly from the pan too, so you don't have to wash your dish either. And here's your ace up the sleeves. In direct cooking, bring the water to proper boiling. Add a spoon of salt and then your pasta. Now, turn the stove off, cover with a lid and let it cook and wait for the magic. Just like that, no gas and no power needed. And yes, it really works. It may take a few minutes more, but it will actually save you lots of bill money. This other way is just great if you have kids. Cooking pots. This way you can cook in one pot up to 3 types of pasta and also your veggies. Add some oil or butter and some cheese. And happy kids! Last but not least, here are 3 ways to use pasta cooking water. First, as fertilizer for your plants. Just let it cool, otherwise you'll cook your plants too. Unless you have fake plant like this one that can't die, but it really works, I swear, really. As anti-scale, just add lemon and bicarbonate to your cooking water. Put this mixture in your sink. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, then scrub it with a sponge and rinse your sink with hot water. Dry it with a microfiber towel and ta-da! Clean as f***. Last but not least, as anti-green mold. Great against these terrible greens on walls and tiles that come up in winter. Just throw it on it while still very hot. And look at that, happy, beautiful walls. I really hope you like these tricks and that you will use them very soon. Now, let me go back to my money.